Let's talk about hanging objects on your walls. Oftentimes, your home walls are constructed with something called gypsum board. Gypsum board is essentially two pieces of craft paper with a tightly packed powder in between. And that means that it can't hold a lot of weight on its own. We have to beef it up with an anchor. To install a plastic anchor, all you have to do is drill a hole in your wall that corresponds to the size of your plastic sleeve. Insert your anchor, then hammer it in, making sure the anchor is flush with the surface of your wall. Notice that I used a mallet instead of a hammer because I didn't want to leave any marks on my wall. Now all that's left is to drive in your screw. While the screw is turning, the anchor is expanding behind your gypsum board, creating a wedge, and that's what's holding up your object. Now that you understand how anchors work, you can be sure that you're always hanging things the right way.